Hello everyone, and welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest Bitcoin news and price predictions. Bitcoin will eventually replace gold, says Morgan Creek's Yusko. Veteran hedge fund manager Mark Yusko, the founder, chief investment officer and managing director of Morgan Creek Capital Management, says that Bitcoin will eventually replace gold, and predicts that the value of the cryptocurrency will reach six figures, according to a report by the Daily Hodl. The report cites an interview with Yusko by Stansberry Research, as revealing that he also believes that China will be the home of the next world reserve currency but that Bitcoin will replace it soon after. Speaking in the interview, Yusko said, "There's only one money in the world, gold. Everything else is credit, everything else is a currency. Currency is backed by debt. Every central bank in the world has gold. Some of them have less than they used to because they moved off the gold standard and went to a fiat standard where they could devalue the currency faster because they had too much debt. But where is the gold going? It's going to China, which I believe will be the next global reserve currency, but it'll eventually be Bitcoin." By the way, if you want to support, please support by liking the video and subscribing to our channel. And it is Bitcoin's superior divisibility and portability that will give it the advantage over the precious metal. Based on the monetary value of gold, he believes Bitcoin will ultimately reach price of around $250,000. Yusko said, $5 trillion, the monetary value of gold, roughly equals $250,000 price per Bitcoin. Now, it won't all happen tomorrow, but over time it's going to happen. Calm before the storm? Bitcoin consolidates at $17,000. Bitcoin continues consolidating around $17,000, begging the question if this is the calm before the storm. Bitcoin failed to produce a meaningful breakout throughout the past 24 hours and is now consolidating around the coveted $17,000 level. As it has proven to be the case many times in the past, though, is this the calm before the storm? Bitcoin consolidates around $17,000. The primary cryptocurrency by means of total market capitalization has been unable to escape the range of around $17,000 and is once again found trading at that level. BTC's price managed to increase to around $17,424 yesterday, but the bears were quick to step in and prevent any further gains. They pushed the price to an intraday low of $16,867 on Binance, and it's currently trading a bit higher, as seen in the chart above. Prolonged periods of decreased volatility usually tend to be a precursor of a considerable move, so the question is if the current price action resembles the calm before the storm. Altcoins painted red. Over the past 24 hours, the wide majority of altcoins are painted red, but it's not because Christmas is approaching. Most of them chart decreases anywhere in the range between 2% and 6%, as seen in the heat map below. Steve Wozniak believes in asset-backed crypto, should you? A common critique of crypto is that it is a radically new asset class with no intrinsic value. Unicoin is an asset and equity-backed coin with support from the likes of Steve Wozniak. Proponents believe tokenized assets and asset-backed crypto can be a hedge against market volatility. One of the most common criticisms of cryptocurrency, including Bitcoin, is that it has no intrinsic value. That doesn't mean to say people don't put value on them, said Andrew Bailey, Governor of the Bank of England, in a press conference last year. Because they can have extrinsic value. But they have no intrinsic value. Buy them only if you're prepared to lose all of your money. The last few months of market turmoil have given Bailey's assessment an added prescience. Once valued at roughly $3 trillion in November of 2021, the crypto industry now sits at around $900 billion. A decrease of approximately 70% in just over a year. Ouch. Of course, by definition, fiat currency also has no intrinsic value either. Its worth is based on an implicit trust of the state and other monetary institutions, like Bailey's Bank of England. And like crypto coins and tokens, currencies can crash in value too. Ask any Brit, whose currency has plummeted approximately 19% in a year against the US dollar. Or a Venezuelan, who has seen theirs drop 58% against the global reserve currency. However, one of the key differences between, for example, the British pound and the approximately 20,000 cryptos on exchanges is longevity. England minted the first pound in 1489, while the Bitcoin white paper only dropped in 2008. One is attached to a political unit that has existed for over 1,000 years. The other is a controversial digital currency associated with a technology still in its adolescence. Lucky Block. Blockchain technology is being used to develop new use cases for users. Even though many investors choose to purchase Bitcoin and high-cap digital currencies. As an illustration, the NFT-based competition platform Lucky Block provides users with an open, decentralized network for earning rewards. Every Friday, the Lucky Block network conducts both a weekly main draw and a weekly NFT draw. Users have the opportunity to participate by depositing NFT collections and win up to $50,000. Most of the rewards are given out in LBLOCK, Lucky Block's utility token. The token has historically grown rapidly. In February 2022, it went from $0.0012 to $0.009. LBLOCK is currently being traded for $0.0009 per token. Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu aims to be the script-based mining algorithm of Dogecoin for Ethereum. Dog-themed cryptocurrencies such as Baby Dogecoin, Dogecoin, Jindo Inu, Alaska Inu, and Alaskan Malamute token are all present, along with Shiba Inu and the SHIB token. One of the top altcoins to grow 100 times by the next year. Decentraland. An Ethereum-based network called Decentraland provides users with access to a 3D virtual ecosystem created with blockchain technology. Since the virtual world offers a play-to-earn environment where users can buy, sell, and create virtual plots of land offered as NFTs, the platform has been dubbed a part of the metaverse. Solana. The Solana blockchain network is a public one that supports smart contracts. Solana uses a proof-of-work consensus, in contrast to networks like Ethereum. However, it enables the platform to process thousands of transactions per second. Solana enables users to find some of the best NFTs to purchase in addition to other dApps and DeFi protocols. Tim Draper predicts Bitcoin will reach $250,000 next year despite FTX collapse. The dam is about to break. Draper previously predicted that Bitcoin would top $250,000 by the end of 2022. He told CNBC that $250,000 is still my number, despite the digital coin's more than 60% drop this year. The venture capitalist is extending his prediction by 6 months. Venture capitalist Tim Draper thinks Bitcoin will hit $250,000 a coin by the middle of 2023, even after a bruising year for the cryptocurrency marked by industry failures and sinking prices. Draper previously predicted that Bitcoin would top $250,000 by the end of 2022, but in early November, at the Web Summit Tech Conference in Lisbon, he said it would take until June 2023 for this to materialize. He reaffirmed this position Saturday when asked how he felt about his price call following the collapse of FTX. "I have extended my prediction by 6 months. $250,000 is still my number," Draper told CNBC via email. Bitcoin would need to rally nearly 1,400% from its current price of around $17,000 for Draper's prediction to come true. Thanks for watching. See you next video.